we'll continue investigating the significance of planning an in-service course or planning professional development programs for language teachers. And in this regard, we've got another issue to be examined in detail: how to plan activities for an in-service course, or what could be the procedures and activities which could be used to fulfill the aims of a workshop, right? There are various approaches, but I will just go through them very briefly here. There is experiential and awareness raising. So there are two types, major types of procedures, which could be used to enhance the outcome of a workshop. So for example, experiential is seen an important procedure where actually teachers are made to practically do teaching and learn from one another, right? And the other one is the conscious understanding of principles and ideas, where teachers are made to think about the philosophy underlying a particular curriculum or the principles underlying a particular approach to teaching. So these are two procedures which are considered to be important one in terms of thinking about the procedures for an effective workshop, right? Awareness raising gives comprehensible. It should give comprehensible input to the trainee, to the teachers attending a workshop. So, for example, there should be some activities where the teachers could be asked, encouraged to work on or learn from one another. And there might be the use of tasks, and these tasks could be, for example, teachers could be trained how to compare two things and how to teach them actually in the classroom, and how they have been teaching these things. For example, cohesive devices for effective writing. So how they have been teaching these things in the classroom. So it's important to plan the activities of a workshop in an efficient and appropriate way. And there could be some tasks to prepare the teachers where they are trained how to teach well, right? So workshop procedures involve, the lectures where teachers are invited to give a lecture and learn from one another, and they might be engaged in group work like students do in their classrooms. And there could be some demonstrations. For example, the organizer or the guest speaker could be bringing in some video lectures or some useful tips for the teachers to learn from. And there could be some exercises relating to materials making, where teachers could be encouraged to benefit from one another, how to create materials for effective language teaching, or how to make the use of authentic materials, the materials which have not been actually designed for language curriculum, for language teaching. So these are some of the procedures and activities which are considered important part of an effective in-service course.